What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can open or create a Paysend account. Also a little bonus for you guys: if you use the link from the description below to create your Paysend account, you will get your first transfer with Paysend app for completely free without any fees associated. So if you want to save up some money on fees, you can use the link from the description below to create your Paysend account. So let's get started. Now, first off, once you install the Paysend app, you can just go ahead and open it. And from this menu right here, we will need to select the sign up option right here. Now just simply input your phone number and we can continue from there. After you inputted your phone number, you will need to input the email that you want to be associated with your Paysend account. After inputting your email, you can click on continue. Now you will just need to wait for a few moments for the code to arrive on your phone number. So when it arrives, just go ahead and paste it right here, and then the app will automatically redirect you to the next step. So here I will just click on not now. Here you would need to verify yourself, so just go ahead and click continue. This step is not optional, so if you click on not now, it will just redirect you to log out. So just go ahead and tap on continue. And here you will need to provide your first name, your last name, and your date of birth. After inputting that info, you can tap on continue. And on the next step, you will need to provide some additional info about yourself, like your street number and house number, your apartment number, your city, and your postal code. So let's go ahead and quickly do that. Now, once you inputted everything required, you can go ahead and tap continue again. And there we go. We have just created our account, so I'll just tap not now for these ads right here. And here is your dashboard on Paysend. So again, if you use the link or the promo code from the description below, you will be able to get your first transfer for completely free. And that's how you create a Paysend account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.